get a seatbelt violation. Oh, by the way, welcome to Double G's Garage. We got one of the seats, well, we got one of the front seats in, and we've been driving the car around the neighborhood. Still hadn't put door seals in or door panel in. You can hear that when I slam the door. But I think we'll go for a little drive. as you can see, we're making some progress. We went for a pretty good little drive today. Went for a little drive yesterday. It runs great. A little bit of hesitation. I got to still tune it out of it, but real happy with it. Real strong, smooth. Really liking it. I'll give you a quick tour here and show you what I did. Okay, we're getting further and further along every time. Still got to do one more front seat, reupholster. Still got to put front door panels in. A little bit of tweaking, but man, let me tell you, got these rear window glass in. These rubber seals, oh my goodness, are those tough. Front seats in. Still got a mess in the floorboard. Got to clean up. But yeah, did take it for a drive. So many tedious little parts left to do though. Went and got tags on it today. I don't know if I've shown the engine since I finished it up, but I think it came out real nice. I gotta say, it's probably the closest you're gonna come to a new stock Volkswagen Beetle in 2021 anyway. But yeah, we'll get the rest of it finished up. Did get got some of the carpet in. Still got the other side to do. Sorry about the messy video, but so sorry about the shaky video and the short video today, but you know, it's kind of exciting after 2 years of work to finally get this thing where it's drivable. So just wanted to go for a quick spin and catch what I could. But thanks for stopping by. Again, give us a like, thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you hadn't subscribed. We're getting more and more subscribers every day, and we got more content coming. We'll get this car finished up and go to some car shows pretty soon. But anyway, thanks for stopping by. See you next time.